Hi, and welcome to Mad for Mondays, where we love to find out what people are doing to make a difference. And what I've discovered through COVID-19, one of the most important things to do is to set those boundaries and still create some great habits, at least for 4 out of the 7 days. You know, human beings respond really well to routine. So if you start to find yourself getting a bit tired, feeling like you're not really quite sure what you're doing, just start to write out that routine. What time am I getting up? What exercises will I do? What am I having for breakfast? Have that shower, get ready, whether it's to go out and do some gardening or cleaning or work, perhaps taking a course or having a look at maybe some content you want to write or some thoughts you want to get out of your head too. Or go and have a game, you know, ride a bike, whatever it is. Learn something new, something that you haven't done before. It's amazing this time that we actually get to ourselves, and we may not get this again for another 100 years. So we need to make sure that we make the most of this. I kind of really love this big pause in time. So I hope that you get to make a difference for you. And I just wanted to share with you, one of those big things for me was setting a routine so that I stayed on track, I still got my work done, and left plenty of time for fun as well. Hope you're surviving COVID-19 by finding some moments to have joy as well. Speak soon.